Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is interview question: when can you start the job? Ladies and gentlemen, when a person is selected and finalized for a job, the HR asks this question that on what date you can join the organization. Tell me how soon you can join the organization. Sometimes, out of excitement, young graduates, they say that we are willing to join immediately. We are willing to join immediately according to your choice. We can join immediately. Now, when they make it a commitment that they can join immediately, when they straight away say this thing in front of the HR that we can join immediately, HR assigns a specific date according to his choice. Because the students have clarified that we are willing to join immediately. But it can backfire sometimes. Sometimes organization is outside your city, at some other place. And before joining the organization, you need to take care of other necessary things. If you are told to move in a new city, you need to look for accommodation over there. You need to carry your required belongings with you in a new city, in a new place where the industry is situated. You need to take NOC from your college. And there are many other things which you initially need to do before actually joining the organization. If you say that you are willing to join immediately, the HR will assign you any date according to his choice, and after that, you cannot say that, sir, ma'am, I'm sorry, I cannot join on this particular date. You cannot say it because you have already mentioned that you are willing to join anytime. And after finalizing the date of joining, if you make excuses, it creates a bad impression of yours in front of HR, and HR may cancel your hiring. HR may cancel your hiring on the grounds of discipline and professional behavior. Ladies and gentlemen, believe me, joinings get cancelled on the basis of these things. On the basis of moral behavior, on the basis of disciplinary things, on the basis of ethical and moral commitments. Joinings get cancelled. Because initially when an organization hires you, directly you are not given joining letter. You are given offer letter at the very first place. You are given offer letter, and when you actually start working inside the organization, at that time you get the final joining letter. An offer letter can be cancelled. Whenever offer letter is issued to the selected candidates, it is very well written in that offer letter that joining can be cancelled on disciplinary grounds. Joining can be cancelled on disciplinary grounds. It is clearly mentioned in the offer letter. That's why before making any kind of commitment after getting selected for an organization, be very sure that whether you are able to fulfill that commitment or not. Are you in position to follow all the rules what the HR is saying? If you are not in position to follow all the rules, you can clarify your doubts. Straight away you can say to the HR that, sir, ma'am, there are certain personal issues. There are certain location issues. I need to change my place, and for that I need to shift myself completely to a new location, which requires looking for a new accommodation, transferring my belongings to my current place to the new place. And there are so many other crucial things which a person needs to do before he joins a job in a different city. First of all, he has to check for where he is going to live in a new city. So these things are very crucial. You are doing a complete transfer from one place to another. You are not only joining a new job, you are dislocating yourself. And that is a tiresome issue, ladies and gentlemen. That's why while making any kind of commitment, if the organization says that, okay, this is the date on which we will hire you, are you willing to join us on this particular date? If you are willing to join, if all the accommodation related issues are pre-solved, you can say yes. But if there is a problem, if you need to make certain adjustments, you can request the HR that, sir, ma'am, please allow me to join on this particular date. I'm not going to join you on the date mentioned by you because I'm living in a different city and the place where I have to work, that city is absolutely unfamiliar to me. I need to change my location. I need to bring my necessary belongings over there. I need to look for accommodation and other such things. And once I completely relocate myself over there, only then I can join your organization. Because in that situation, at least I am ensured that I am having a house. I am having a proper accommodation. I can survive alone in a new city. So I need to manage all these things, and after that, I can join your organization. So please mention my joining date according to my choice. It is my humble request to you. And definitely believe me, ladies and gentlemen, HRs are going to believe you and HRs will follow you. HRs will listen to your requests because they are majorly concerned with this thing that the hired candidate should perform appropriately inside the organization. They are absolutely not bothered about accommodation and other such things. Okay, no problem. You take your time. You take your time. You settle yourself in a new city, in a new time, in a new town. You manage your accommodation and then you join my organization. But make it sure that after arranging all types of necessary things for yourself, when you join my organization, after that, you are not going to get any leave for other types of adjustments. Once you join my organization, you come completely. And this is the fact of corporate world, ladies and gentlemen. When you join an organization, you never get frequent off. You never get frequent holidays. And if you are taking frequent holidays again and again, you will be considered as a non-professional employee. And in that case also, the company can fire you very soon. After joining the organization, taking extra unnecessary leaves is not acceptable. That's why make it very sure that at what time you are going to join the organization. It is beneficial for you because you will get extra time to relocate yourself completely in a new city, and it is beneficial for the organization also which is hiring you. The organization will be very well ensured in advance that yes, this is the particular date, this is the particular time when this employee is coming to join us. And from that particular date and time, we can assign him relevant projects according to where we want to put this employee. So it is beneficial for you as well as it is beneficial for the organization you are joining. It is a kind of mutual understanding, ladies and gentlemen, and you need to establish this mutual understanding. That's why be very serious about your joining date, about your joining time. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.